Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your default payment method on Amazon. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have maybe had different credit card and they want to use it to pay for Amazon purchases. So be sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. And so let's go ahead and get started. Now the first thing that you want to do, even before we get started, is do make sure that your Amazon app is up to date. So make sure to go into the App Store or Google Play Store to update your app. Next, we're going to go ahead and open it up. Now on this page here, you're going to see a series of icons at the bottom. You want to go ahead and click on the icon that looks like a person. And then from here, what you want to do is that you want to go ahead and scroll down, right? So if we start from the top, go ahead and scroll down to where it says your payments. Now from this window, your prompts might look different from mine, but you're going to see the option to either add a new credit card, or you're going to be able to see all your cards that you have listed on file on your account. So in our case, I'm just going to go ahead and click on add. And then from here, you can add an FSA card or HSA credit card or personal checking account or EBT card. We're going to click on credit or debit card. Once you are on this page here, you can either scan your card or enter your credit card information or link your credit card from your bank. But let me go ahead and go back and show you what that looks like from an actual wallet. So once you go ahead and actually add that card, let's take this card here, for example. Once you go ahead and add your card, you want to go ahead and click on edit on the right hand side. And then you're going to see this tick box that says set as default payment method. So this is the best and easiest way that I found to actually go ahead and change your default payment method. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.